In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work faster in Google Sheets with shortcuts, data tools, and automation. By the end, you'll know how to move through spreadsheets quickly, clean and organize data with built-in features, and automate repetitive work so you can focus on analysis instead of busy work. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with keyboard shortcuts and quick navigation. If you need a blank spreadsheet in a hurry, type sheet.new into your browser's address bar and a fresh Google Sheet opens instantly. When you're logging entries, insert the current date with Ctrl+C and the current time with Ctrl+Shift+V. It's a fast way to timestamp updates, and remember these insert the value right now. To move faster across your data, use selection shortcuts. Ctrl+A selects all data in the current table, Ctrl+Space selects the entire column you're in, and Shift+Space selects the entire row. If you've just applied a format and want to reuse it, press F4 on a PC in a new cell to repeat the last action. And if a range is cluttered with styles, clear everything at once with Ctrl+/ or CMD+/ on a Mac. Now, efficient data management. Don't delete duplicates manually. Select your range, then go to Data, Data Cleanup, remove duplicates. It's accurate, quick, and gives you a clean dataset in seconds. If you've got combined values, like full names or codes with separators, use Data, split text to columns to separate them neatly. When you're collaborating, apply a filter view from Data, filter views before sorting or filtering. This creates your own view without changing how others see the sheet, which keeps teamwork smooth. For summaries of large datasets, use pivot tables under Data, Pivot Table. They let you group, count, and compare without building long chains of formulas, which keeps your file lighter and easier to maintain. Let's level up with advanced features and automation. ARRAYFORMULA lets a single formula spill down an entire column automatically, saving you from copying formulas thousands of times and improving consistency. For tasks you repeat often, record a macro from Tools, Macros, Record Macro. It captures your clicks and plays them back on demand. If you need more control, write custom functions with AppScript to streamline complex, recurring workflows. Finally, smart chips speed up context and navigation. Type the @ symbol in a cell to insert interactive chips for people, dates, or linked Google files, so key references are always a click away. Combine these habits, and you'll build a faster, cleaner, more automated workflow in Google Sheets. Practice a few shortcuts, explore the data tools, and start automating the tasks you repeat most. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.